Have you ever wondered what you are actually made of? Not in a biological sense, but in a literal, atomic, cosmic sense. Right now, every cell in your body is working. Your heart is beating. Your lungs are breathing. But all of that is just the tip of the iceberg. Much deeper lies a story that began long before Earth existed. The hydrogen in your body appeared just minutes after the Big Bang. That was 13.8 billion years ago. And the oxygen, carbon, iron, and calcium in your body were born inside stars that have long since died. You don't just live on a planet. You are part of the universe. Its eyes, its hands, its way of becoming aware of itself. And all of this began long before you, and it will continue long after. In 1957, astrophysicist Margaret Burbidge and her colleagues published a paper that changed our understanding of the world. They proved that heavy elements could not have formed during the Big Bang. They needed another source, stars. When a star lives, nuclear fusion occurs inside it. Hydrogen turns into helium. Helium turns into carbon and oxygen, then into iron, silicon, magnesium, calcium. All of these elements are born inside stars. But for them to reach space, the star must explode. A supernova blast scatters its contents across the galaxy. This material cools, condenses, and becomes part of new stars, planets, asteroids, and living beings. So the atoms that make up your body have passed through several generations of stars. Part of you was once part of a giant star. Part was part of a nebula. Part was part of another planet. This is not a metaphor. This is physics. You are stardust in the most literal sense of the word. Atoms travel a lot. They're not tied to one place forever. The water you drink today was once in the ocean, then in a cloud, then in a river, then in a dinosaur. The oxygen you breathe was part of forests, then coal deposits, then the atmosphere, and then back into your lungs. This is called the cycle of matter in nature. But on a planetary scale, it looks like a grand exchange of particles. You exchange atoms with everyone living around you. Your atoms have touched the atoms of ancient civilizations, the atoms of mammoths, the atoms of the first bacteria that appeared on Earth 3.8 billion years ago. And it won't stop, ever. Even when Earth changes, even when the sun begins to age, atoms do not disappear. They change form, state, location, but they remain. And billions of years from now, they will be part of new worlds, new oceans, new forms of life. Now imagine this. Your atom could actually leave Earth. How? The solar wind is a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the sun. Earth's atmosphere gradually loses light gases. Some atoms escape into space naturally. Asteroids collide with the planet and eject particles beyond gravity. One day, billions of years from now, some atom that was once in your body might end up in another star system. It could end up in the icy crust of an exoplanet, or in the atmosphere of a gas giant, or in an ocean beneath the surface of a moon of Jupiter. And there, conditions where life could emerge. This is not science fiction. This is astrophysics. The cosmos is not divided into now and later. Everything that happened influences everything that will happen. And you are part of this continuous chain that stretches across the entire history of the universe. Knowing that you are made of stardust fundamentally changes your perception. When you look at the night sky, you're not just looking out there. You're looking at your own past, at your history, at what you once were made of, and what you will one day become. Scientists call this cosmic consciousness, not mysticism, but an awareness of your deep connection to the universe. And this feeling does not make us small or insignificant. On the contrary, it makes us part of something grand and infinite. The human brain is the most complex object in the universe known to science, and we use it to study distant galaxies, black holes, and the origin of life. We are the universe's way of seeing itself. Every discovery, every question, every look through a telescope is an act of cognition that the universe performs through us. We are not just observers. We are active participants in this great process. So when you look at the starry sky next time, don't think you are small and insignificant. Slow you are enormous, because you carry within you the memory of billions of years of cosmic evolution. You are a carrier of history that began long before Earth appeared and will continue after the sun dies. You are not just a spectator in the theater of the universe. You are a participant, active, important, part of a complex system that is constantly changing, developing, and becoming more complex. And in this continuous change lies the main beauty and the main meaning of our existence. Now, think about this. If we are all made of the same stellar substance, maybe the difference between us is not as great as it seems. Maybe realizing this universal connection is the main discovery we have yet to make. Maybe it is this knowledge that can unite us more strongly than any borders or differences. Thank you for being with me on this journey through the universe. Subscribe to the channel to continue exploring this amazing world together. Because the cosmos, it is not somewhere out there. It is inside you.